First and foremost, I'd love to wish all you gorgeous motherfuckers out there a happy Father's Day.
In the comment section of one of my last videos, somebody called this micro scrapping, so I'm definitely about to stick with that term. I kind of like it. So it's time for micro scrapping therapy with the Badger.
So the first thing I like to do is set up my station nice and organized so that it's not chaotic. I bust out my little handy dandy fold-out chair. It's so comfy.
Then I like to take a little 360 look around whatever it is I'm getting ready to take apart so I can try to figure out what kind of tools I need to use.
I lay out all my tools nice and organized so that I can have easy access to them. My flashlight doubles up as my magnet. That's how I check my metals. Got a trash bucket. Got basic steel, hardware, electric motors, brass, aluminum, circuit boards. My copper bucket's up on my porch because I don't trust nobody.
Pay no attention to my puppy toy that was a screwdriver. This right here is exactly why I keep a magnet on me, because it may look like brass, but it isn't. This is one of the beautiful things about this just being a hobby. Look, I'm using a 10-year-old screwdriver that was chewed up by my puppy. I don't really need nice tools to do any of this. Sure, if you're an IT guy or a tech guy, it might be a little easier to get this stuff done, but I'm just a tinkerer and I figure it out as I go. I'm an ordinary man, okay? I absolutely love to destroy things, but I prefer more along the lines of a sophisticated dismantling than I do demolition style. Yeah, you may not get rid of much anger, but you're gonna feel way more satisfied when you're done than if you would have just destroyed that shit. And like, this one was pretty cool because I had never taken apart a new 80s style monitor. I had absolutely no idea what the inside was gonna look like. We ended up with a couple nice little circuit boards, some shitty little shred steel, and like a half hour of peace, quiet, and tinkering relaxation.
Ow.
I get to listen to the birds chirp, I get to drink my coffee in peace. It really is just the best.
And then you can even go as far as taking these little pieces right here, taking that screw out and scrapping that as aluminum.
Yeah, I've done some of these that made it seem like it was gonna be way easier than it was.
I forgot my Phillips screwdriver, don't judge me. Damn, it's a stubborn ass fucking screw. And you can pretty much just peel that one back, take your pair of pliers like this. Oh. Jesus. Ta-da! That didn't go according to plan at all, did it? Yeah, well.
Then aluminum goes here. Circuit boards go yeah.
And you say nothing, you say nothing, you say nothing.
Insulated wire goes yeah. Ain't a little fool, huh? Think it's about time for a scrap run.
And all my shred steel just goes in a big pile. Like yeah. Now, as far as actually getting into the computer monitor screen itself, I've never done this. I don't know if there's actually anything behind here that's worth it, but it's really heavy, so I'm gonna attempt it.
And this is when it becomes an adventure. I have no idea what the hell's behind this. Could be a block of gold behind it. I know that's not real, but the imagination flutters.
It's like I just popped the lock off. Look, it's all just coming off now. Worthless. And there is a lot of glass, so we're going to be really gentle with it. In the trash bucket you go without breaking you any further. Whoa, that is trippy. Oh, you want to see the tiniest tube light you ever seen in your life? Oh, dude. It's adorable. It's a teeny tiny tube light. We probably don't want to be breaking this down any further.